Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. Today I'm going to be making ladoo using flax seeds, which is high in fiber and very nutritious. If you're not familiar with flax seeds, this is what it looks like. They are tiny but they have a lot of health benefits. Flaxseed oil is also available, but I like the idea of consuming it naturally by grinding them into powder and adding them to your diet. To make ladoos, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of flax seeds, few cashew nuts and dry grapes, 3/4 cup of jaggery, half cup of ghee and a tablespoon of cardamom powder. First we need to roast the flax seeds on a medium flame. Keep stirring them frequently. It will take 5 to 7 minutes for it to completely get roasted. You can now see the seeds are starting to pop. I'm going to roast them for another 1 minute and then switch off the flame. The seeds will slightly change to a darker color. Once it is done, transfer the seeds to a plate and allow it to cool completely. I grinded them to a fine powder. Keep this aside. Heat the pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. I'm going to roast the cashews. Once they turn brown, add the grapes. The grapes has also started to plump up. I'll keep them aside and we'll start roasting the wheat flour. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to the same pan. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 cup of wheat flour and roast them on a low flame for about 7 minutes. Keep stirring them. It's just the same way how we roasted the flax seeds. Here is a tip for the beginners. Add few cashews along with the wheat flour and dry roast them. After 7 minutes, you can see the color of the wheat flour has changed and the cashew that we added has also become brown. This will help you know when to switch off the flame and prevent the flour from burning. You'll get a nice fragrance at this stage. It is done. Transfer them to a plate. Once the wheat flour becomes warm, add the cashew nuts and the dry grapes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cardamom powder and the powdered flax seeds. Mix everything well. Add the jaggery powder and mix it well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee to a portion of the mixture and make even sized balls. You can store these ladoos in an airtight container and they stay good for 10 to 15 days at a room temperature. This protein and fiber rich ladoo is my kids' favorite and I'm sure it's going to be your favorite too. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel Fresh Bites.